Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. AI detection is one of the biggest problem faced by our fellow researchers. So in order to convert your AI content into a humanized content, there are many AI tools that is available in market. So among them, today we are going to discuss about two important tools which will be very useful for you to convert AI content into a humanized content. So it will also act as a plagiarism detection also. So let's go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out to reduce plagiarism and also get rid of AI detection problems. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing. And also we are going to discuss about different types of prompts in ChatGPT, especially research prompts, and how to bring a better content out of that research prompts. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in MATLAB, to know about MATLAB basics, so here is an opportunity for you to join our live MATLAB workshop. Comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced applications. In this workshop we are going to discuss about basics programming and syntax in MATLAB, and also we are going to analyze 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and then we are going to discuss about different types of toolbox available in Simulink, that is especially ANFIS toolbox, neural network toolbox, fuzzy logic toolbox, etc. After that we are going to make a live PID tuning for your PID controller to get desired output for your application. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the first AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Hidemy AI. So it's a tool which is used to convert your AI content into a humanized content. So here you can see this is humanized content dashboard. So in this you can see that here we have to copy and paste the content which is generated by AI that will be that will be changed into a undetectable content. So let us see how it will work out. So here you can see the type: general writing, essay, news article, blog post, cover letter, marketing copy, email, etc. Next you can see match the content: professional, regular, grade school, high school, masters, PhD. Next perspective: first person, third person, second person. So where the content you have generated, you can give it as a ChatGPT or anything you want. So in order to explore this Hidemy AI, so I am going to ChatGPT to generate content for that is content to convert it to human. So here I am going to click ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT. In this you can generate any random content. Explain about machine learning MPPT algorithm in paragraph. So like that I am going to ask an input prompt. So machine learning. So it will take several seconds to generate. Here you can see. So here this is how the content is generated. So this is the content which is generated by AI. So you can copy the content here. So randomly I am going to copy 2-3 paragraphs, that is first paragraph, this one. So I am going to copy the first paragraph alone. So in this I am going to again going to the tool. So go to Hidemy AI. So here enter your AI composed text, then click hide my AI button. So here copy and paste the content. So after that you can select this one, that is type, level, perspective, etc. This I am going to give it as a PhD. Perspective I am going to give it as a first person. So after that what you have to do is you can click hide my AI. So it will take several seconds to generate your content. So let us see how it will work out. Here you can see that our content is changed as human. So here you can see the difference machine learning based MPPT. Instead of that, machine learning can be used for maximum power point tracking in solar panels. Basically, traditional methods just had some rules about how to adjust the system to get more power. So, but machine learning uses historical data to predict best settings based on stuff like weather and shadows, etc. So, it's more adaptive. So, like that, all the points here are changed into different. So, here you can see originality is green, it is given green. Next, it is this shows the probability of AI content detected by each detector which content is generated. So, all shows green. So, your content will not be detected by any of the AI detector in any plagiarism software. So, like that, you can make use of this Hidemy AI to convert the AI generated content into a humanized content. So, here this you can see you can change into different languages also, English, Spanish, Russian and French. So, you can make use of this option. So, apart from this, the important thing is that the level. So, you can select the level of writing, that is very important. So, because the important thing while paraphrasing or any conversion like AI to human detected content, the important thing is that you cannot change the core meaning or core value of the particular concept you are proposed in your research work. That is very important. So, as far as this Hidemy AI concerned, it is generating a better content for your AI to humanized conversion. So, thereby the probability of reduction of AI detection and also plagiarism in your research paper will be reduced more. So, make use of this Hidemy AI to reduce your AI detection in your research paper. So, this is the first tool. So, the next tool is that bypass AI. So, it is also a tool where you can convert your that is input AI content into a humanized content, undetectable output. So, in order to check this, again I am going to copy and paste the same content which is generated by ChatGPT, that is AI itself. So, after that you will be having different option called enhanced, standard, simple, like that different option will be available. So, to convert into a humanized content, for example, I am going to give it as a standard content and you can click humanize. So, you have to sign up with your mail ID. Here you can see the checking is done, the check whether the humanized text can bypass cross-plags, copy leaks. So, like that it will check all the plagiarism reduction software, GPT-0, sapling. So, like that it is checking every software which is subjected to AI plagiarism. So, here you can see that class flag, copy leaks, etc. After the analysis only it will generate the content. So, let us see how it will works out. Here you can see that our content is generated. The output is content is mostly likely human written. So, it is overcome all the that is plagiarism detectors. So, here you can see 0 GPT, crash plug, copy leaks, OpenAI, GPT-0, sapling, writer, content at scale. So, it is human written one. Here you can see the sentences. Maximum power point tracking algorithms based machine learning represents a new way of renewable energy system and especially for solar PV system. So, like that it has changed the words. So, if you want it to be more humanized, you can click enhanced option. So, according to the severity of plagiarism or AI detection, so you can change this modes accordingly. It will change. Thereby the probability of reduction will be very more, that is plagiarism reduction in your paper will be very more. So, you can make use of this bypass AI to generate a better humanized undetectable content or undetectable AI content for your research paper. So, this is all about this bypass AI. In this video we have discussed about two important tools which is used to avoid AI detection in any of the plagiarism software. The first one is Hidemy AI. So, it will be a fantastic option where you can choose the level, perspective, etc. So, it will generate a basic, that is a very basic content which is most likely to be written by human. So, the next tool will be bypass AI. This is also a very nice tool where you can give an input. That input will be customized as different three formats, that is simple, standard and enhanced. According to this, humanized content will be generated and it is also free from all these softwares. So, that is plagiarism detector softwares. So, you can make use of these two tools to generate a better content for your research paper without any AI detection. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.